All right, team, let's jump right in and create your superhero. So you want to go to 12comics.com and then you want to, once the site loads up, you want to click the hero creator and this is what should pop up. It's the hero creator character avatar creator. Okay, just in case you're having a problem loading this, I'm using Firefox in this case. If you want to use Chrome, you can use Chrome, you can use Safari. Try different browsers if you have. And if it still doesn't pop up, why don't you go ahead and go to the Hero Machine website. So you see it says heromachine.com. Once you go here, you want to click Hero Machine 2. And then once you click Hero Machine 2, your hero creator should pop up. So you have those two options. You want to go to the 12comics.com site, 12comics.com. Then you click the Hero Creator tab. That will lead you to the Hero Creator URL, and this should pop up. If you're having difficulty with this creator on the website, go ahead and go to heromachine.com, and then you click the Hero Machine 2, and then this should pop up. Okay, so the user interface is a little bit different from the heromachine.com website to the 12 Comics website. So we're going to just use the 12 Comics website for now. All right, so you want to click on your character. You can pick male slim, male short, female short. Scroll over, male tall, strong, women tall, strong there. So we're going to pick the male slim here and pick complete. And your assets should load. While that's loading, I'll go to the Hero Machine on the heromachine.com website. And again, you go to heromachine.com, click HM2, and this should pop up. And again, I'll click the female here, pick complete, and you notice that the assets are loading. Okay, once the assets finish loading, you're going to go ahead and put your name. So I'm going to put Mr. Hair, if it decides to work here, and it has decided not to work while we're doing this video. Well, there it is. Okay, Mr. Hair, and then I'm going to put my hero name, Red Falcon. And for the women, as same thing. Once it finishes loading, you'll notice the hair pops up. That's when you finish loading. And here, once again, put your name, Miss Jones, and then we're going to call her Blue Falcon. Okay, so you want to do that first. The reason why is because when you save the character here in the heromachine.com, when you save the character, you're going to, here where it says save, you notice in the code, hopefully you can see it, it says Miss Jones Blue Falcon. So when we're ready to save the character, that's how I'll know who your character is. And in this case, in the 12 Comics Hero Creator, you click Save, and there you see Mr. Hare Red Falcon in that code. So we'll come back to that in a second. All right, pretty simple. From here, you just click on your hair, and you color here. And since we're calling him Red Falcon, here's where you pick your different, you see where it says components, it's component box 1 and component box 2. So I'm going to go and pick his undershirt. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to paint it. Since we're calling him Red Falcon, I am going to stay with the red color. And go put some leggings on, and then color it red. Notice I click both boxes and click the same color. Notice I can click the item here and it changes the assets here. So click the undershirt. Here I click the leggings and it changes. I click the skin. I'm going to make him a nice brown color. And that's pretty much how you create your character. You click the component box 1, select your folder that you want to work on. Here I'm going to work on his eyes, and pick his eyes, and I'm going to color his eyes. You notice that the second box turns brown, because it's highlighted, and notice that the eyes are brown on the side. So I'm just going to switch that. I'm going to make the outside white. As you notice, it changes. And then the first box, I'm going to click and make that brown, and you're going to see that his eyes turn brown. And that is how you create your character. So have fun. You have wings. You have on the back, this is where you find your capes. Companion if you want a pet. And once you are done, okay, so I'm just going to do one really quickly here. Red Falcon. Oh, mine is Red Falcon. So I'm going to change the cape. Notice I click on the cape. Notice I click on the shirt. Then click on the cape. I'm going to get rid of the cape because I don't want it. Press clear. It's gone. If you press the second clear button, then everything will vanish. And I'm not going to do that right now. So I click wings, and so we got Red Falcon, and that is my Red Falcon. I'm going to paint his feathers there. And there it is. And then I'm going to put a little insignia on his chest. Nice little bird insignia. There's my Red Falcon. And I will paint it nice, rich red there. And there is our Red Falcon. I'll just add a nose and a mouth just for the sake of, oops, nose and a mouth. For those of you who really want to get fancy, you can go to the mouth here and then click standard and then hit an expansion. And then it gives you some more files with different types of mouths, if that's even a word. Okay, so there you go. Go to eyes. I go to expansion eyes. Look, I can add expansion here. I can add faces. I think you guys get the idea. And in the HeroMachine.com, again, the same thing. It's pretty simple. Click, go down here to the colors, and red, skin color. Notice that just the user interface is a little bit different here, where the color palette is and where the boxes are, but it's pretty much the same. And then I add undershirt, and then I add leggings, and then I can color it. And then you just mess around with all of your different assets here, coats, gloves, foot, and you are all set. If I have any questions, please feel free to email me. You should have my email already. And that is how you create your character. And last but not least, let's save the character. So you're going to go ahead and click Save. And in the Hero Machine, it's right here, Save. And then I won't discuss loading. Oh yeah, I'll mention loading. So let's go to Save. You want to copy this code, Command-C, or for Mac users, right-click for PC users. Once again, you want to make sure that the code here is highlighted. So you notice I highlight the code, Control-A, and or you can just click and drag. Then I copy, or you can hit Control-C. They're both the same. And then you want to put that in your email address so that you can send me your code. I hope this helps. Once again, please feel free to email me with any questions. And once again, once you save that code, this is how you load the character. In case you want to start it again, I'm going to Control V or paste into the box, load, and then I press load. And watch what happens when I load the same code that you just saved and put in the email. And voila, there you go. There's the character. And it happens the same way here. I'm going to press load here. And I'm just going to load the male character here, since I already have his code. And see, it comes up, Mr. Hare, Red Falcon, and there is the code. I hope this video was helpful, and looking forward to working with all of the SBAM teachers and creating your superheroes. Take care. Thank you.